Tracking a clear night ahead as temperatures dip down into the low 60s tonight. It's going to be beautiful for the start of tomorrow. A nice crisp morning as temperatures start to warm up, though. We'll get back up to the low 80s by noon. Great pool afternoon as we're climbing up into the upper 80s by about 3 o'clock. A couple more clouds by afternoon, but we're staying dry for the start of the State Fair in Sedalia tomorrow evening. We'll be around 86 as the gates open and as we get into the evening after sunset, dropping into the upper 70s. So it's a nice start to the fair that will continue into next week. Humidity remains low overnight into tomorrow too. Dew point staying right around 60 degrees for tomorrow. Very comfortable compared to what we had about this time last week. High pressure off to our north is continuing to bring in cooler air as that drier air mass sits in over most of mid-Missouri. Most of the rainfall staying near that front that came through earlier this week. It's staying all across the Ohio Valley. No more rain for us for the next few days as I'm tracking clear skies for tomorrow. A light jacket maybe for the early morning, but by the afternoon it's going to warm up quickly. We'll see another disturbance that moves through Thursday night into Friday, and that could bring a bit more cloud cover, but we're staying dry through Friday with slightly cooler temperatures. Going into the weekend, I'll be tracking the heat index getting close to 95 on Saturday as temperatures start to warm up. On Sunday, we'll get back into the upper 90s for the heat index. We are still staying dry for most areas. Rain chances likely staying just off to our east, but showers and storms could move in overnight into early Monday as our next disturbance starts to roll in. We're going to have an active pattern next week with showers and storms almost every day, at least through the middle of the week, and that will start to add up. By Monday evening, we could end up with about a quarter to a half an inch of rainfall. By the middle of the week, we'll continue to add to that total, likely getting up to at least 1 to 2 inches over the next 7 days as our pattern is going to shift. And our temperatures are actually looking a little bit cooler than normal by the middle of next week. We are going to see cooler than average temperatures across a lot of the country. That means anything below 89 degrees. You'll see here on my 7-day forecast, we are going to get a bit of a warm up tomorrow, climbing back up to about 88. And then by Friday, we're down to 84. So it's a comfortable end to the week. A little bit warmer for this weekend with heat index values climbing into the low to mid 90s. Next week, we're starting off warm with showers and storms starting to pick up by Monday.